Bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make him obsessed with you. So, over the weekend, on which day was this? I want to say Friday. On Friday, I made a free guide for all the girlies out there who want to know how to make their man more obsessed with them, right? I'm not going to, all right, so first things first, I'm not going to tell you what the secret is in this video. You're going to have to go to my website, kcface.com, the link will be in the description bar, and you have to download the free guide. Okay? That's how it is. So let's just start right there. If you want to continue hearing me ramble, then keep watching. But as far as how to make him obsessed, kcface.com. That's it. That's it. So if you're here for the tips and tricks, it's on the website, kcface.com. All right, let's go back to the story now. So on Friday, I made the guide, this free guide, free, 100% free, no strings attached. All you have to do is go on the website. That is it. It's there. I want traffic to go there. So go there, please. Thank you. And made the guide. A couple people have already signed up because I posted it on my Instagram. If you follow my Instagram, then you already know what it is. A few people have already signed up, and I thank you for that. I love you for that. So yeah, so those people, you know, they know the secret, they know the things. Them also, when you sign up on the website, you are going to start getting exclusive access every so often with little guides like the one I posted on how to make him obsessed with you. I'm trying to put out more content that is garnered to my niche, which is relationships and sex and advice and all of that, because those are the questions that I get a lot of. That's what I write about mainly. So that's what the focus is going to be going forward. Okay, yes, I'll still drop in a vlog or two here or there, you know, whatever. But yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know about the guide. Now on Saturday, I went to Art Basel-ish, which is Farah's event she does every year. She's been doing it for the past, how long has it been going on now? 7 years? 6 years, something like that. This last one was really good, really big, at a bigger venue. More artists were there, performers, models, the works. It's literally Art Basel, but in Fort Lauderdale. So if you weren't there, you really missed out. Oh, and last year I spoke at that event. I think I've spoken at 2 of these events, 2 or 3 of these events so far. So yeah. So while we were there, we're talking, chit-chatting, whatever. And then Farah goes, yeah, this girl is so confident, blah, 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 talking about how to make a husband obsessed. And I'm like, oh shit, she's talking about me. The thing is, behind the camera, behind the screen, super confident. I can tell you anything. I could say whatever, do whatever, in person, super shy girl. Super shy girl. I'm very flirtatious. Yes. I'm confident. Yes, I would say I'm confident. But when it comes to talking about myself or accepting recognition or praise or whatever the case is, it's very tongue-in-cheek for me. Yeah. So that was cute that was mentioned. And then, a couple people who were at the table, they're like, oh yeah, I did see it, blah, 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 blah. So that was kind of cool. So yeah, if you do follow me on Instagram, you would have already gotten a first glimpse of the guide and what it entails if you went to the website, which is, again, kcface.com. My hair is being weird. I'm just trying to figure out, wagwan. But yeah, and it's a super quick read, nothing like too lengthy or extensive. I get literally straight to the point within the first paragraph. You'll know what it's about. I have all necessary links on that website. Like I said, when you sign up, you will begin to get exclusive access to certain content before it's released to the masses, for one. That's if it's ever released to the masses. For example, this right here. I could easily sit down and tell you exactly what it is to make your man obsessed with you, but I want you to go to the website and sign up and get the information there. So this is just a commercial, an infomercial, if you will, for kcface.com's how to make him obsessed with you. And if you've been on this page for a while, you already know what the answer is. You know what the secret is. You know what the trick, the tip is. Matter of fact, you should have been known. You should have been known. And what I want you to do, if you're watching this right now and if you've gotten this far in the video and you think you know what it is, I want you to comment down below and tell me what you think that the trick is to make your man obsessed with you. Tell me what you think it is. And then I also want to reiterate that this tip, this trick, this how to make him obsessed is not to be done for any and anybody, right? It's supposed to be for someone that you're in an actual relationship with and not somebody that you're trying to trick or trap. Okay? Do not do this for any jigaboo on the street, around the corner. Like, no. Don't do this for somebody who doesn't like you. Make sure that the person likes you. Okay? That is so important. This tip, this trick is to be used for good and for good only. Not to be used for any malicious reasons. Not to be used to trap. Not to be used to trap anybody. That's not what we're here for. Okay? Make sure that it's someone that you are in a committed relationship with. Because if you're doing this for every single Tom, Dick, and Harry, you're going to lose your mind. They're going to lose their mind. You're going to lose your mind. It's going to be too much. Not everybody deserves it. I was about to list out the secrets a while ago. Not everybody deserves it. And that's not just that. That's not just that. Not everybody deserves it at all. Okay? And it has to be something that you actually want to do. Because it's not easy. It's not easy at all. So you have to want to do it. Like, you have to genuinely, I'm trying to use words that won't give away anything because I really want you guys to go on the website and read it. Like, I put efforts into it. So I'm not going to just give away the secrets to the people who actually took the necessary steps to sign up. So no, this video does not help have that information. But it has information on how to get to the information, which is kissyface.com, KSSYFVCE.com. And then when you go on there, if you're on your phone, I should grab my phone and show you. If you're on your phone, it's going to be a bar at the top. You tap the 3 lines on the top right hand side, and then you're going to see a drop down menu. You tap Siren Lounge. In the Siren Lounge, that is where all the freebies are going to be. That's where all the free guides are going to be. That's where all the exclusive content is going to be, in the Siren Lounge. Because if I were to describe myself, it would be somewhat of a siren, except you don't die at sea. Yes, I think everything that I post online is some sort of siren call. Like this video, for example. I'm calling all the lovers who want to make their man obsessed with them. Basically, this is my siren song to you. So go on the website, kissyface.com. Go to the Siren Lounge. If you're on your laptop, desktop, PC, whatever, on the top, as soon as you go on the website, at the top on the homepage, you're going to see Siren Lounge. I believe it's the last link. Same thing on your phone. If you tap the 3 bars, the drop down menu is the last link, Siren Lounge. All you have to do is tap it and read. Yeah, bring reading back. Make reading great again. That's the vibes. All right, that's enough chit-chattering for the day. If you guys have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. And again, if you feel like you know what the secret is to make him obsessed, comment down below. Let's get the comments going. All right, share this video with a friend who you think needs to know or wants to know how to make their man obsessed with them. Okay? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. That was quick.